guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Simply Earth for February. Do you want to see what recipes are in here that you could be making? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I just received my Simply Earth for February. This was sent to me for review, so thank you so much, Simply Earth, for sending me your amazing recipe box to show my viewers. And I actually got another box from them as well, which is in here, and that thing looks really cool. So I'm going to show you what's in there as well. So let's go ahead and dive into this month's theme, and let's see what they have for us to make this time. So this does come just like this, and I do remove my mailing label. This is the very first time that I have a different sticker. Normally I get Cheryl Who Dat. This time I have handpicked by Katie, aka Miss Gullible, and they all have like some crazy little faces going on, but that's who prepared my box. So thanks, Katie, for preparing my box this month, and I get a fresh face for once, so that's kind of cool too. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and let's cut her label and let's see what we have. Okay, so once you open it up, you do have all the cards and stickers on top, and then here are your 4 oils for the month, and then your extra goodies are always in this little compartment over here. So they do give you stickers, which I really do appreciate, because if you do make any of these items, you can cut out the sticker to put on there. So if you do, let's just say hypothetically you have a little bottle around and you don't know what's in it, this will tell you what you made. Or if you just use the essential oils by themselves, you can use those stickers right there just so you know what you're using. And it does give you information on there as well. So I do love that they do add these, and now they're actually putting on directions and ingredients on here as well, not just the name. So I do like this right here. So they do go over all of the different recipes that we would be making. Okay, you guys, so on here it says a note from Katie. Hi friend, how are you feeling about your skin this month? This month's theme is Love Your Skin. In February, when I look in the mirror, I see all kinds of pale. My eczema is likely to flare up, and all my skin imperfections that were hiding behind my summer tan have been blaring out at me the past couple of months. Can you relate to any of that? Well, no more. With this month's box, you can take control of your skincare to get beautiful, glowing skin. Plus, all of the skincare recipes are non-toxic and made with natural ingredients. This Valentine's Day, as you celebrate love, be sure to celebrate yourself too with great toxin-free skincare. Much love, Katie. So that is on the back of this card. And then one of these should tell us what, yes, okay. Take a sneak peek at next month's box. The theme is Mood Boost, supporting your emotional wellness. Oils are going to be Energy Blend, Patchouli, Orange, and Cypress. Recipes are 6 toxin-free recipes, including 2 do-it-yourself diffusers, a personal inhaler, a roll-on, and a diffuser blend. Extras are going to be aromatherapy inhaler, lava beads, and diffuser reeds. Things that you will need at home is a small narrow neck jar, vodka or rubbing alcohol, and string, and extra beads for DIY diffuser jewelry is optional. And so I guess we're going to make a little diffuser like that. So if you have a small jar, they'll give you the little stick things, but you just need a small jar to put it in. So, and I love those. I have one in my bathroom currently. I always like those little diffusers. So let's go ahead and see. This month, in purchasing this box, you are working with Disrupting Traffic to End Human Trafficking. 13% of all Simply Earth's profits go to organizations working to end human trafficking. Every month, they always donate 13%, and that's always on their box too. 13%. And they do donate to different organizations, all in ending human trafficking, which I really do appreciate. That's something that does need to stop. So I love the fact that they do donate to help end human trafficking. Now, the oils for this month are going to be, this one is Veins. Warms reduces the appearance of spider veins. Always dilute before using on your skin. Kids safe 2+, pregnancy safe yes, cat safe use with caution, dog safe diffuse and use. So use with caution when you have cats around, but it's okay for dogs. And I do like that they're adding that as well. So now you know what's good around pets and what's not. Here's frankincense. This one is fights germs, pain relief, mental clarity. And it says always dilute before using it on your skin. Kid safe 2+, pregnancy safe, yes. Cat safe, dog safe, diffuse and use. So it's good for both. Then you have is coffee. Ooh. Warms and invigorates. Always dilute before using on skin. Kid safe 2+, pregnancy safe, yes. Cat safe, diffuse, and dog safe, diffuse. So only for diffusing only is it cat and dog safe. And then the last one in here is fir needle. Fir needle is energy, deodorizing, pain relief, decongestant. Always dilute when using on your skin. Kid safe 2+, pregnancy safe, yes. Cat and dog, diffuse. To diffuse, you're okay. And then the little things that we're getting on the side is rose hydrosol. And you get French green clay. So let's see what recipes we're gonna be making with all of these goodies. So the first one is an alert roll-on. 2 minutes, shelf life is 1 year. You have everything that's in here, or for the bonus box, if you have to purchase or supply anything, there will be a little asterisk next to it. This one has no asterisk. So this is for a roll-on recipe. Rose hydrosol bath. This says 2 minutes, shelf life, intended for immediate use. So use that pretty much immediately after you make it. And the only thing you'll need on this one is 1 cup of Epsom salt and 1 sealable 8-ounce container, which is optional. So there's that one. Espresso diffuser blend. Oh, that sounds amazing. 1 minute, 1 year shelf life. Ingredients is the essential oils that are in here. And if you want to make an actual full thing of it, then you use one of the bottles that are in the bonus box. So then you can just mix it all in there and then pour it into your diffuser as needed versus pouring in the things as you want it. Oh my goodness, does it really smell? It says coffee, I understand that, but I have to smell this one now. I do smell coffee in there. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to do that diffuser blend because you guys know I love me some coffee. Clay and rose face mask, 2 minutes, shelf life is intended for immediate use. And the only thing you'll need on this is a sealable container, which is optional. And there is that one. This one is the Veins Sugar Scrub. 1 minute, shelf life is 3 months. You'll need 1 cup of sugar and you'll need a resealable container. And this is Skin Healing Body Butter. Takes 10 minutes, 30 minutes to cool, and the shelf life is 3 months. On this one, all you need is a 6-ounce sealable jar or container, and everything else will be included. So there's the recipe for Skin Healing Body Butter. And then it continues on the back side. Okay, guys, so there are all of the 6 recipes that we will be making this month, including the stickers and all of the goodies that you do need. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you what came in this box because I think it's so neat. I don't know why I got it, but I got it. So thank you, Simply Earth, for sending me this little mystery box right here. Little goodie box. There is a packing slip in here and it says that this is worth $19.99. So I guess you could probably buy this directly on their site because they do sell things individually on their site as well. And I think this is so neat and I'm definitely going to use this. It did come with a little piece kind of broken right here, which I'm going to put some wood glue on that to push it back down. So the front of it says Simply Earth, and it is this wooden box. It has this little clasp thing here to keep it closed and to open with the little things on the back of it. And when you open up the box, it says Simply Earth again on the top. And then, you can hold your oils in here. This is amazing. I love this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can put in, I think there's 36 can fit in here. And you can keep your oils in one nice little organized area. So if you guys wanted to purchase a box like this to keep your oils in an organized container, this would be $19.99 is what I'm assuming, because that's what it shows on the packing slip. You can purchase directly from their website. So definitely you check out their website. You can see all the individual things that you can purchase from them, along with getting this recipe box for yourself. Now, if you would like a little bit more information about the recipe box like I just showed you, you can use my code SheCrafty free, all spelled out, all capitals, SheCrafty free. And what that is going to get you is a free bonus box. That bonus box will come with a lot of the essentials that you need to go coincide with the recipe box to make the recipes every month. And you get a $40 gift card that you can use on a future purchase. So if you do, you can use that $40 to get one of these boxes. You can get extra goodies from their site. You can get whatever you would like, but you get a free $40 gift card to use on a future purchase with the free big bonus box that'll give you a lot of the stuff that you need to do the recipes every month. Now, make your home natural with Simply Earth recipe box. Our recipe box includes 4 essential oils, natural ingredients, plus fun extras. It's $150 value and you pay $39 per month, and it is free shipping. You get to make 6 recipes every single month, and every new month has a new theme, and they do have free shipping, like I said, to the United States. So every single month they come up with a brand new theme with all brand new recipes. They give you the 6 recipe cards, the stuff to do them, and if you do need to purchase anything or supply anything, again, they will have that asterisk that you can plan ahead of time and figure out what you need before you start making and diving into the recipe. And I do really appreciate this company for doing it this way. They're not just sending you essential oils, have fun, good luck, figure it out. No, they're giving you everything you need to do the recipes, except very minor things you might have to supply, which most of the time is like distilled water, Epsom salt, that kind of thing, which I normally now have that on hand from getting these boxes. So I love that they give you all the tools and the recipes, and they're always new every single month. So again, if you would like to check them out, link will be down below. SheCrafty free will get you that free $40 gift card plus the free bonus box. So that is everything that I have for you guys for this February box. Comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this theme and the recipes that are in this box? Do you get this box? Are you on the fence with getting this box? Comment down below. Your positive interaction with me means the world, and I greatly do appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.